Hey guys, welcome back to Kern Designs. Hannah here, and today we're going to be talking about entity references. So if you haven't seen my last video, go check it out because we're going to be building on that Drupal site from last week's video. But today, we're mostly going to be talking about entity references, and that is when you reference one entity and a different entity. So in this site, we're going to have student, and in student, we're going to reference a course number, which correlates to the course entity and so that's going to create a relation between the two. So here on Drupal, I have it pulled up. You guys know I have it hosted on my Reclaim Cloud dashboard, and you can go and pull that up and do that. From my last video, I explain it a little bit more in depth. But in here, we're going to head to structure. And now under structure, I'm going to look at my content types. And I'm going to go onto my student, and I'm going to manage my fields. And so all I have under student is full name, but I'm just going to add a field that's going to be my reference to course. So under this, I'm going to choose reference, and I'm going to say content. And I'm going to label this course number. Oh, look, it's already up. So if I just save and continue, oh, right. It's already being used. This should work. Sweet. So we're going to say unlimited because we want a student to be able to be a part of multiple courses. And if I save these settings, then I should just be able to here click what content type I want it to be. And I want it to be a course. And then there's no default because every student's in different courses. And I'm just going to hit save settings here. And now course number is listed as an entity reference under student. So if I go home, I can create a new content, and I'll be able to create a student, and we'll just give them a random ID. And then under name, I'm just going to do like a Joe Brown. And I'm going to add a course number that's going to be like HCED 364. Perfect. And if I save this, then when I go look at this student, if I click on course number, it's going to take me to that course that is HCDD 364W. And then I can actually create a view. So if I go into my structure and my views, I can add a view that will show you, say I want this to be like student data. Then I can create a page that'll have all my student data. And if I save and edit, then under my advanced options, I can actually add my relationships that I want to be seen, specifically relationships related to student. Right. Awesome. I believe that is all that I need. Then I just add and configure relationships and apply. And then if I save this, then on that, when I go back to my site, I am able to see this student and look at their course number, and that's going to link me to another course, which is really awesome, guys. It's super helpful to be able to link different types of content, which is why entity references, are so helpful because you're able to kind of link these references between different content types and make it more of a relational database, which is one of the reasons why Drupal is so amazing at what it does, because it allows these relations to happen. So I hope that you guys on your sites can sort of start to create these relationships and these views that are allowing you to see these relationships. Have a good one, guys, and keep coding.